got Advocate Manoj Sharma with us on the broadcast. Sir, these proposed reforms, firstly, your opening submission, what do you make of these? They're being seen as an attempt to reduce the students' stress and dependence on coaching institutes. We've been talking about this come the NEET mishap that we all witnessed in this country. The coaching industry, do you think it's being unfairly blamed for problems that are created by the examination systems? And your opening submissions and your assessment with this new overhaul that people are talking about, they're calling it India's big examination reset. Is it really one?
Look, in the past few years,
Yeah.
I'm very sorry to say that CBSE has lost his credibility. Total credibility loss, trust deficit. So whatever CBSE is doing, whether in a good faith or whether in a scientific manner, the public of this country, parents and students are not going to believe them that they are sincere people, they are honest people, they are doing something good for the education system. Number one. The another very important point which Mr. Sharma was talking about, when in the nation we are having one nation, one election, one nation, one ration card, then why not one nation, one board? Let it be one nation, one board. There should be physics, chemistry, biology, accountancy, business studies, legal studies. There should be one standard book across India, and it should be upgraded or updated every year or every twice year as per the new things are coming into the subject wise. This is what we are doing. Chhattisgarh is doing something, UP board is something, CBSE board is something, And one thing more, I have a apprehension when this 50% comes into the
Yeah.
weightage, then every year CBSE papers will be leaked, also leaked out, because there will be high stakes of the students and
Yeah,
the
I'm here
society.
thinking maybe, if you're talking about evolution of the coaching centers, that's probably on the cards as well. They will also start coaching students for the 12th board examinations. The board
Correct.
begins
They're already
carrying
doing.
50% weightage. Coaching centers will also simply evolve, isn't it?
They are already doing. They are starting from the as early as class 8, class 9. What they are saying, we are teaching school syllabus as well as competition syllabus. So it is already in the place. Actually, we are making mockery of our education system. It is going to damage our country very badly. The system is opting for AI, and the
Okay,
things
okay.
are moving, 100 times. If you sleep and wake up the other day, the
I'm
things
being the
have been
devil's
gone.
advocate here, sir. I'm trying to understand. Look, at least the train is not stationary at the platform. It's moving somewhere. It could be moving in the wrong direction, but being stationary, I mean, I don't know if this analogy works here per se. I'm just looking at it from the aspect that it is at least moving. It's not stationary. Do you think that makes credible sense?
The issue is we don't have the student centric. It is either parent centric, coaching student centric, policy centric, central government centric, this ideology, that ideology. Unless and until we focus sincerely that the education should be student centric, what the student should require, what should it be given, so that it comes up to the, as soon as he pass out the college or the school, he must be
Fair enough.
efficient for the industry, he must be efficient for the society. There is a totally disconnect. What we are talking about, 50%, sometimes 50% marks लगा देंगे, sometimes 50% add कर देंगे. These are mockery. They are mockery. We are not serious about the